Hello, so today we'll be looking at this question, and the first thing we're going to do, we are going to go over to our Pascal's triangle. We have 1, 1, 1, this plus this is 2, 1, 1, this will give us 3, this will give us 3. We'll stop here. We'll be making use of this one because we are dealing with a cubic equation. All right, now in expanding x plus 1 to the third power, this is what we'll get. We'll have 1x to the power of 3 plus 3x to the power of 2 plus 3x to the power of 1 and then plus 1. But looking at this and the question given to us, we have a negative sign here, so we'll have to go over using x minus 1 to the third power. All right, so x minus 1 to the third power, we have 1x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 1. And now looking at this and the question given to us, we have a plus here, but here we have a negative sign. There's something we can do, don't worry about it. So what we'll do is to move this 3 to this side, and then we have x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x, and then we'll leave this one. We have minus 3 here. We're going to add the minus 1 to both sides, this minus 1. So we have x to the power of 3 minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 1 equals minus 4. Remember that this equation will give us what? X minus 1 to the power of 3. X minus 1 to the third power equals minus 4. Now with this, we're going to take the cube root of both sides. Cube root of both sides. This cube cancels this cube root, so we have x minus 1 equals, now remember when we are taking the square root of both sides of a particular equation, we normally include the plus or minus sign. So in this cube root, we're going to include 1 omega and omega squared cube root of minus 4. Can you see that? So we're going to move this 1 to this side. So we have x equals 1. Now this minus, we'll bring it out as well. We have minus 1 omega squared cube root of just 4. All right, so we're going to write it as follows. We have 1 minus the cube root of 4, 1 omega and omega squared. Now to get our 3 equations or 3 solutions, we're going to say 1 minus cube root of 4 multiplied by 1. The second one will be 1 minus cube root of 4 multiplied by omega. And the third is 1 minus cube root of 4 multiplied by omega squared. So this will result to 1 minus cube root of 4, comma, 1 minus cube root of 4 omega, 1 minus cube root of 4 omega squared. Now these are the values for x. For you to know the value for omega, it's minus 1 over 2 plus cube 3, or the root of 3 over 2i. And for omega squared, it's a bit different. Minus 1 over 2 minus root 3 over 2i. So if you want to get a final equation, all you need to do is just to substitute this value wherever you see omega, substitute this value wherever you see omega squared, and just simplify as follows. And then the final thing is 1 minus whatever you get here. So this is the real equation or the real solution for x. The rest are complex numbers. Hope it's clear. All right, so these are the solutions for x in this particular equation. This is an almost perfect cubic equation. All right, so if you've watched till this very point, it means you've been gaining value. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you're new here, and join our family, because all we do here is mathematics. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.